Other celestial bodies are making moves, and these could have a significant meaning for those unexplained happenings in your life. Jordan standing by with more.
Yes, that's right. Linda Kubota Bird is a local astrologer here. Earlier on the show, we did talk about the rare full moon that is happening today, the rare blue moon. And you said with the stars out there, it's encouraging everyone to, be aware of the changes that may happen suddenly, but also to release negative patterns. But this time around, you have some key important dates that it's very interesting. I talked to you earlier about how these energies from the stars actually translate to what may or what could happen here on Earth. So let's talk about this first one here. We got a few bullet points. What's the first date that we should be aware of?
Okay, well, on November 3rd, it's election day, as all of us know, and Mercury's going direct on that day, stationing direct. So it can be kind of a confusing day. And the last time this happened was in 2000, the year 2000, when we had the hanging Chad incident. So just be prepared for that. And then on November 12th, then Jupiter and Pluto are going to be joining together. And Pluto's about major transformation, and Jupiter just exaggerates that. So the key thing is to try to stay out of drama,
Right.
Be an observer.
That is something I think we all can try to practice and work on. I know we have a few things when it comes to these specific dates and what it's very different for each person, right? As far as maybe how it could impact or influence our lives.
Yes, it depends on your chart, your natal chart, and kind of how you're wired. But in general, the general zeitgeist is affected as well.
All right.
Yes.
Now, I know we've got a few more dates to go. Let's try to. So the second one is, let's see, Mars. Yeah, Mars stops to move forward in Aries. So you're saying primal energy. Things have been stuck, finally take off. So how does that translate to us?
Right. Mars is the planet of your will and action. So it's been in retrograde and it's been in Aries. And it doesn't like to be retrograde. So when it's finally goes direct, it's probably things that have been stuck may start to move again for you.
So when planets are in retrograde, I know a lot of people hear that term Mercury Retrograde. What does that mean, and what should people not do when certain planets, I guess maybe not going forward?
Right. When planets are retrograde, it doesn't mean that they're literally going backward, but they're very close to the Earth so that it appears as an optical illusion where it appears that they're going backward. But it does affect us in going back and kind of reviewing whatever the theme of that pattern is, or planet, and what sign it's in.
Got it.
So there's certain things to do with Mercury retrograde, I think we all know.
Right. Now, the next one here on the 28th of November, Neptune stops forward motion. So does that mean Neptune is going to go retrograde? And what does Neptune represent? What type of, energetic fields that is in it?
Well, Neptune is going to go direct, or it's going to go forward, because it's been retrograde for quite a while. And what that is about confusion and illusion and those kind of things. And on the higher octave, it brings in spirituality.
I see.
So it's helpful to listen to your own inner knowing, because you'll have a cleaner access to that.
Got it. Now, I think we got one more slide here, and you mentioned it's probably one of the important key dates this year to remember is the winter solstice that happens on the 21st. What makes this year so special and unique?
What's different about this is that Saturn and Jupiter are going to combine in the sign of Aquarius at 0 degrees Aquarius. And that's going to change the energy. I think things will lighten up from this year. This year's been a very heavy year, I don't need to say. But things should lighten up on the 21st of December.
All right. Well, we are all looking forward to that. I know it's been a real tough year. I know you had a good quote that you wanted to end on here. It said, "Fear and hope cannot occupy the same space. So invite one to stay," by Maya Angelou. So Linda, thank you so much. Again, if you'd like to learn more, maybe have your chart done for you, she can do it. She's right here in Sacramento. The information is on your screen, their website as well. And we are hoping for a better 2021. And it looks like the stars have been supporting us all the way through. So thank you so much for sharing that on this Halloween. All right.
Thank you.
Gina, back to you.